Node.js. Node.js is nothing but a runtime environment that allows JavaScript to be run on server side. And how does it differ from other server side technologies like Apache and PHP? As we see, the difference we can be taken as technology type, execution model, and concurrency. As we see, technology type Apache is a web server and PHP is a server side scripting language. And in execution model, Node.js is an asynchronous model and Apache and PHP are generally synchronous model. And concurrency, Node.js can handle many connections simultaneously. As we see, Apache and PHP may use multi-threading or multiprocessors. Second question. What is the callback function in Node.js and why are they commonly used in asynchronous programming? Firstly, callback function in Node.js. This is nothing but a function passed as an argument to another function. This callback function is used to perform non-blocking operations in asynchronous programming. Callbacks allow Node.js to perform multiple operations concurrently without waiting for each other. And callbacks are fundamental to Node.js non-blocking I/O. And callbacks are queued in the event loop, ensuring efficient execution of asynchronous tasks. Third question. What is the purpose of package.js on file in a Node.js project? Can you explain key properties found in this file? There are three main purposes of package.json file. They are metadata, dependencies, scripts. Metadata contains project such as name, version, and description. Dependencies. Dependencies is nothing but list of project dependencies enabling easy installation and management. And scripts. Scripts defines custom scripts that can be run using npm or run. And key properties. First one, name and version. It identifies the project and its current version. Nextly, dependencies and dev dependencies. It lists packages required for project to run and for development purposes. Scripts. It allows the function of daemon shortcuts like start, node, etc. Explain the difference between require and import statements in Node.js. When and why would you use one over other? In require, we use CommonJS. CommonJS is used in module system, which is synchronous. For import, we use ES6 models. The syntax between require and import statements will be changed. Constant module is equal to require of module semicolon and import module from module semicolon. These are the both syntaxes for import and require. Uses of require and import statements. Require is mostly used in environments where ES6 modules are not fully supported or in legacy code bases. And import is mainly used in modern projects with ES6 support for cleaner and more efficient model management. What is middleware in text of express.js? Okay. Middleware context is nothing but functions that have access to the request response and the next middleware function in the application's request response cycle. It is mostly used in tasks such as logging, authentication, etc. There are few examples like logging middleware and authentication middleware, validates, okay, error handling. What is RESTful API and how can you create one using an express strategies? Explain the main HTTP methods used to RESTful APIs. RESTful API is nothing but an architectural style of designing network applications relying on stateless client server communication via HTTP. Main HTTP methods are get, post, put, delete, and the principles are uses stateless operations and standardized HTTP methods for CRUD operations. As we get to seventh question, what is the purpose of Node Package Manager and how do you use it to manage dependencies in a Node.js project? Purpose of Node Package Manager: package management, which manages the package modules for Node.js applications, and dependency management. It take tasks like installs, updates, and manages project dependencies, and script automation. It runs provide predefined scripts for tasks like test, etc. How do you use it in manage dependencies in Node.js? As we can install by create package.json with npm init, and we can install the package by its name using npm. Why it is important to hash passwords in web application? Importance of hashing passwords. Firstly it gives the security to the authentication user. First one, protection and irreversibility salting.